Hi everyone! In this video, we will compare negative numbers. Compare the numbers using a lesser than sign or greater than sign. Negative 30 compared to negative 22. The first way I would like to compare these is reviewing how we compare positive numbers. Here's my number line with 0 in the middle, and we'll go over here on the right hand side without doing check marks for or tally marks for every single number here. I'm just going to write a few down so that it speeds us up instead of putting in 15 tally marks. If I'm comparing 10 and 15, I'm looking for, on the number line, what number is further to the right. That is the higher or the larger of the two numbers. In this case, 15 is larger, and I would have a lesser than sign indicating that I'm opening up towards the larger of the two numbers, the 15. And so it'd be 10 is less than 15. So again, we're looking for the number further on the right of the number line. Another way of thinking about it is with money. Which of the two would you rather have, $15 or $10? 15, it's the larger of the two numbers. If I come down to the negative side and I graph the negative 22 and negative 30, again, I'm just going to give us a few tally marks instead of all of them. It's not going to be perfectly to scale, however, we'll make this negative 10, negative 20, negative 30, negative 40, just for simplicity's sake. Again, remember, as we're moving down the number line, it's getting increasingly negative, or the numbers are getting larger the further we get away from 0. Again, so we want to find what number is further to the right on the number line. We're looking for this direction. We want the larger number on the right-hand side. Negative 22 will be after the 20. So here's 20, and 22 is further down the line. So we'll go 1, 2 this way, and negative 22 will be plotted about here. Negative 30 is here, and just like we did with the other, the larger of the two is on the right-hand side. So we will open our inequality towards that number. Just like with money, we can ask ourselves, would we rather be $30 in debt or $22 in debt? And we'll take the larger of the two options, which is the less in debt, meaning 22 is larger than negative 30. It might sound a little confusing, but the negative numbers go in the opposite direction of the positive numbers. So we want to open our inequality towards the 22. It opens to the larger of the two numbers. So in this case, we'll have a lesser than sign opening up towards the negative 22, as it is the larger of the two numbers. This reads, negative 30 is less than negative 22, and now we're all done.